All right, we just got another call from a client. Luckily, they're only 5 minutes away from my previous client. They said they turned on their air conditioner and it is just not getting cold. It's blowing out warm air. So let's go on ahead and get this family taken care of as well. All right, she's alive, you guys. Put a new 50x5 right there. We're gonna check the amperages, make sure what's going on. This contactor looks like it's metal on metal, so we're gonna offer that. Blower wheel looks nice, clean.